First, add 16 ounces of uncooked elbow macaroni. Then, add 4 cups of reduced sodium chicken broth. We'll add everything else shortly. Make sure all of the macaroni is submerged in the broth. Put the lid on and turn the vent knob to the sealing position. Set your Instant Pot to manually cook on high pressure for 3 minutes. I turn the keep warm button off, but you don't have to. It'll come up to pressure and then it will start cooking. After it's finished cooking, leave it alone and let it naturally release for exactly 5 minutes. Once the 5 minutes is up, do a quick release and carefully release the remaining steam. Once my silver pin drops and the steam finishes releasing, I'll remove the lid. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I broke mine up into a few pieces. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. Also, a teaspoon of your favorite hot sauce. I'll give it a quick stir before we add the cheese. And don't worry, the hot sauce adds to the flavor, but it isn't too pronounced. I have 1 cup of milk, but I'm only adding half a cup for now. We can add more later if it needs to be thinned out a little more. For the cheese, add about a handful at a time and stir after each handful. First, I'll add 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese. Remember, add a handful, stir, and repeat. Then we'll add half a cup of Parmesan cheese. And finally, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. After you've added all of the cheese, you can add more of the remaining milk until it's your desired consistency. I personally added nearly all of the milk. Please consider giving the video a like, and thanks for watching.